Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mr. USA English, the place where you learn to speak real, confident English that people actually understand.
Hi, guys. We're so excited you're here. If your dream is to communicate smoothly in everyday situations, this episode is for you.
Today, we're diving into the blueprint to master English communication skills. Think of it as your personal map to becoming a confident speaker.
That's right. No boring grammar drills today. Just practical, simple steps you can use in real conversations.
So, let's start with step 1, mindset before method. Many learners believe fluency comes from memorizing vocabulary, but true communication begins in your mind.
Exactly. You must stop fearing mistakes. Every fluent speaker you admire once made hundreds of them. What matters is learning from each one.
When you think, I might sound silly, you block yourself. Replace that with, I'm improving with every word. That's a growth mindset.
And when you practice with that mindset, you'll feel freer to experiment with new phrases, jokes, and expressions. The real flavor of English.
Step 2, listen like a detective. Great communicators are great listeners.
Watch how native speakers pause, emphasize, and react. Listen not just for words, but for rhythm and feeling.
Try shadowing short dialogues from movies or podcasts. Repeat with the same tone, even copy their laughter. It's training your speaking muscles.
Step 3, build small talk power. Many learners freeze in everyday chats because they don't know how to start or continue.
A simple formula: start, share, ask. Example: Hi, how's your day? Start: Mine's been busy. I've been editing videos. Share: What about you? Ask.
That three-step loop keeps any conversation alive. And people love talking to someone who shows interest.
Step 4, use active words. Instead of, I am going to try to learn, say, I'm learning. Confident speakers choose direct verbs.
Yes, English loves energy. Strong words create strong impressions.
Step 5, body language speaks. Smile, maintain gentle eye contact, and keep your hands open. It makes your words believable.
Even online, posture matters. Sit straight, look into the camera, and your confidence will double.
Step 6, simplify your sentences. Fluency isn't about long phrases, it's about clarity.
I didn't get it sounds more natural than I was unable to comprehend your statement. Simple is smart.
Step 7, think in English. Translation slows you down.
Start with microthinking, name what you see. Phone, desk, window. Gradually add sentences. I'm opening my window. I love this view.
Step 8, learn connection phrases. Words like, you know, actually, by the way, glue your speech together.
They make you sound natural, not robotic. Use them to link thoughts and keep rhythm flowing.
Step 9, storytelling magic. Every good communicator can tell a small story, something funny, surprising, or honest.
It doesn't need to be dramatic. Even a short story about your morning can make people feel connected.
Step 10, confidence comes from consistency. Practice a little every day, not once a week.
Exactly. Speak to yourself, record your voice, talk to friends, comment on videos, treat English as part of your life.
And that's our foundation. the first layer of your English communication blueprint.
Before we close today's part, remember this. Communication is not about perfect English. It's about connection, clarity, and courage.
Well said, Emma. So, listeners, start applying one of these steps today, even just one.
And if this episode helped you, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with friends who want to grow too.
This is Oliver from Mr. USA English. Signing off for now. Keep speaking, keep growing, keep shining.
And I'm Emma. See you in the next part of the Blueprint to Master English Communication Skills. Bye for now.
Welcome back, everyone. This is Oliver, and you're listening to Mr. USA English, where real conversations help you become a confident English speaker.
Hi, guys. I'm Emma. And today we're continuing our topic, the Blueprint to Master English Communication Skills. In part one, we talked about mindset, clarity, and daily speaking habits.
That's right. Now, let's move deeper into how to build emotional connection, expand vocabulary naturally, and sound fluent in every situation.
Step 11, speak from feelings, not just words. When you speak English, don't focus only on grammar, focus on emotion.
Exactly. If you say, "I'm happy to see you," with a flat voice, it sounds cold. But if you say it with warmth, "I'm really happy to see you," people feel your words.
Communication is emotion. Listeners remember how you make them feel more than what you say.
Step 12. Use tone as your secret weapon. Imagine your voice like music. The melody of your words carries meaning.
For example, say, really? In 3 tones, surprised, doubtful, and excited. And you'll notice each creates a new mood.
Practicing tones improves fluency because you stop sounding robotic. Try shadowing emotional lines from movies. It's powerful training.
Step 13, learn vocabulary by theme. Instead of memorizing random words, group them.
Like, take the theme coffee shop. Learn words like order, mug, barista, latte, refill, to go tip, then make a short dialogue.
Themed learning helps you recall words faster because your brain links them in a story.
Step 14. Upgrade your vocabulary with real-life replacements.
Instead of very good, say fantastic or awesome. Instead of very tired, try exhausted.
Exactly. Native speakers love variety. Learn one strong synonym each day and use it in a sentence.
Step 15, shadow native conversations. Pick a 30-second clip, play it, pause, repeat aloud. Copy not just the words, but pauses and rhythm.
It's like acting. You're training your mouth, ear, and brain together.
Step 16, ask more questions. Fluent communication isn't about talking nonstop, it's about balance.
Great communicators listen 60% and speak 40%. They ask open questions like, "What do you think?" or "How did that make you feel?"
That creates deeper connections and helps you learn natural responses.
Step 17. Mirror the speaker's energy. When someone is excited, respond with enthusiasm. If they're calm, match their tone.
This builds instant comfort. It shows emotional intelligence, a key skill for mastering English communication.
Step 18. Use story patterns. Every good story has 3 parts: beginning, challenge, and result.
Example, last week I tried to cook pasta. It was a disaster at first, but then I added more salt and it turned out delicious.
Notice how simple, short stories make your speech engaging. People love hearing small, real moments.
Step 19. Think in conversations, not words.
Instead of memorizing apple, eat, hungry, imagine a short scene. I'm eating an apple because I was hungry. It's easier and more natural.
Your brain loves context. That's how babies learn through full experiences, not single words.
Step 20, celebrate progress, not perfection.
Communication is a journey. Every small success, a smile from a stranger, a short chat in English means you're improving.
Write down your daily wins. I ordered coffee confidently today. It builds self-trust.
Remember, fluency isn't a finish line, it's a lifestyle. You grow every day through real practice.
That's why Mr. USA English exists, to remind you that your English journey is personal, powerful, and possible.
Before we wrap up part 2, let's repeat the big takeaway. Your words are only half the message. Your heart is the rest.
Exactly. Speak with honesty, emotion, and rhythm, and people will listen even if your grammar isn't perfect yet.
So, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep communicating with courage.
If you enjoyed this part, hit like, leave a comment, sharing your favorite new phrase, and subscribe to Mr. USA English for weekly growth.
And don't forget to share this with your friends who are learning English too. You're not just learning a language, you're learning to connect with the world. See you in part 3.
Welcome back to Mr. USA English, everyone. I'm Oliver, and today we're closing our series on the blueprint to master English communication skills.
Hi, everyone. I'm Emma. You've made it to part 3, and that already shows you're serious about becoming a confident English communicator.
That's right. In the first 2 parts, we built your mindset, listening power, emotional connection, and daily practice habits.
And now it's time for the most important layer, real life application and unstoppable confidence.
The fastest learners don't wait for a classroom. They live in English.
Label things around your house. Talk to yourself while cooking. I'm cutting the vegetables. I'm making tea. Make English your background sound.
Change your phone and social media settings to English. It's small but powerful exposure.
You'll start thinking in English automatically because you see it all the time.
People think they need hours to study, but even 5-minute sessions count.
Watch a short video. Repeat a phrase. Send a voice note in English to a friend.
Micro practice creates daily consistency, and consistency beats intensity.
Exactly. It's better to do 5 minutes every day than 2 hours once a week.
Pretend you're in an interview, on a date, or ordering coffee. Speak out loud as if it's happening.
It may sound funny, but it's how actors and diplomats train. You're building reflexes.
When a real situation comes, you've already lived it in practice.
That's confidence in action. Familiarity beats fear every time.
Many learners rush because they think fast speech means fluency.
But true fluency is clarity. Native speakers pause, breathe, and emphasize.
Slow speech gives your brain time to choose better words.
And listeners respect calm voices. It shows control, not hesitation.
After every conversation, ask yourself, what went well? What confused me?
This tiny self-review turns every chat into a free English lesson.
Keep a journal. Today, I spoke with a shopkeeper. I used 2 new phrases.
Reflection makes you mindful, and mindfulness turns practice into progress.
Learning alone is good, but learning with someone doubles your progress.
Exactly. You can correct each other, motivate each other, and celebrate wins together.
Platforms, apps, even comment sections can connect you with practice partners.
Just one consistent partner can transform your confidence in weeks.
Language is more than words, it's culture, humor, gestures.
Watch how people greet, how they joke, how they say sorry or thanks.
Understanding cultural tone helps you sound natural, not just correct.
And it prevents awkward misunderstandings, a huge step toward fluency.
Every learner feels nervous, that's normal. The secret is doing it anyway.
Courage grows through exposure. The first time is scary, the 10th time is easy.
Record yourself, join online meetings, comment in English forums.
The more you use your voice, the less fear controls you.
Input is listening and reading, output is speaking and writing. You need both.
For every 30 minutes of listening, spend 10 minutes speaking about what you heard.
That cycle trains your brain to retrieve words instantly.
Balanced practice equals balanced fluency.
Communicators focus on connection, not perfection.
They ask, did I express my idea clearly? Not. Was my grammar 100% correct?
Shift your identity. You're not just learning English, you're becoming a communicator.
That mindset changes everything from hesitation to confidence.
Use English to help others. Teach, volunteer, or create content.
When you share knowledge in English, you reinforce your own learning.
Plus, contribution builds pride. You realize your English has power.
And that's the real goal, to connect, inspire, and make a difference.
Pick your best time morning coffee or evening walk and make English your ritual.
5 minutes of reading, 5 minutes of speaking, 5 minutes of listening, that's enough.
Routines make practice automatic.
And once it's a habit, improvement becomes effortless.
Don't wait for perfection. Celebrate every compliment, every clear sentence, every brave attempt.
Exactly. Write it down. Today, I spoke without translating.
Reward yourself. Small celebrations fuel big motivation.
Fluency is built from thousands of tiny wins stacked together.
English isn't a subject, it's a lifelong friend.
Keep exploring. Podcasts, books, movies, and conversations.
There's always a new word, a new accent, a new story to learn.
And each discovery keeps your passion alive.
So, friends, that's the complete blueprint, 34 steps to mastering English communication.
Start small, stay consistent, and remember that confidence grows from connection, not perfection.
Your voice matters, your story matters, and the world wants to hear it.
Believe that every time you speak English, you're building a bridge to new people and possibilities.
We're proud of you for reaching the end of this series. If you found it helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment about your biggest takeaway, and subscribe for more weekly lessons.
Share this episode with friends who are learning English too. Together, we can make confidence contagious.
I'm Oliver. Keep practicing, keep believing, and keep shining with Mr. USA English.
And I'm Emma. Thank you for listening. You're already a super communicator in the making. See you in the next episode.